Today we're at the Red Brick Art Museum in Beijing, an iconic private institution renowned for its striking red brick design, as well as its outstanding contemporary art exhibitions and serene Chinese garden. Today we'll be exploring the immersive solar exhibition of Japanese artist Chiharu Shiota, curated by Yan Suche, the founder and director of the museum. Titled Silent Emptiness, the exhibition features site-specific installations that thoughtfully interact with the museum space. It explores one of Shiota's core themes, presence within absence, philosophically transforming emptiness into something tangible while weaving together Eastern heritage and local materials with global perspectives. The journey of her artistic practice takes us from her Japanese roots to her move to Berlin and her positioning within the global contemporary art scene, highlighting her evolution from painting to large-scale spatial installations. Metamorphosis of Consciousness is inspired by Zhuangji's Butterfly Dream. This room features clouds of suspended butterfly wings surrounding a bed. With this, the artist challenges the duality of body and consciousness. She refers to sleep as the rehearsal for the eternal sleep, a journey beyond the physical self. Emptiness here is explored by dissolving the boundary between life and what lies beyond. In this beautiful installation titled Multiple Realities, empty dresses slowly spin above still water. The garments represent a second skin and embody the memories, emotions, and experiences stored within clothing. Their graceful dance without their bodies symbolizes loss and the soul's journey beyond the physical form. Gateway to Silence features an ancient Tibetan Buddhist door from which red threads extend, evoking the sensation of breaking through physical space to reach beyond the boundaries of reality. Addressing themes such as spirituality, inspiring reflection, as well as awareness of the present moment. In Echoes of Time, the rocks give time a tangible form. Black threads echo the night sky and ancient earth, serving as a metaphor for time's erosion and connecting the rocks to Eastern philosophical and spiritual traditions. In this installation, rooted memory, an old Chinese boat takes center stage. From its cracks, a tree emerges, symbolizing new life growing from its origin, while red threads surround it like raindrops, nourishing its roots. Through this representation, Shiota emphasizes the relationship between humans and nature, returning to the cycle in which the boat offers a nurturing space for its own origin, the tree, to grow. It is a stunning and deeply philosophical exhibition, showcasing impressive work as usual, where Shiota invites us to reflect on the intangible by making the invisible visible through threads and other meaningful objects, all interacting harmoniously within this incredible space.